Are you ready to turn AI into your personal money-making assistant? Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or just looking for a side hustle, AI is revolutionizing how women can earn online. But which AI tools actually work? And how can you start making money today? Stay with me till the end because I'll be revealing some underrated AI platforms that most people don't even know about. Did you know you don't need advanced tech skills to earn with AI? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr now allow you to offer AI-generated services. You can use tools like ChatGPT and Jasper for AI copywriting and blog writing, Canva and Leonardo AI for AI-generated graphics, and 11 Labs and Murph.ai for voiceover work. Imagine getting paid $50 per AI-generated voiceover, or $100 for a blog post written by AI, without spending hours on it yourself. What if I told you that you could sell digital products without ever creating them manually? Use AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E to create and sell AI-generated art on Etsy. Replit and Bubble can help you build AI-powered no-code apps for passive income. And with Scribble Diffusion and Stock IMG AI, you can generate stock images and sell them on platforms like Shutterstock. This is the easiest way to start an online business using AI. Just upload, sell, and let the income flow. Ever wanted to invest but didn't know where to start? AI-powered fintech platforms can help you make smart money moves. Betterment and Wealthfront are AI-driven robo-advisors that invest for you. Turo and AI rental platforms let you rent out assets with AI-based pricing. And Defy and AI trading bots can help you trade crypto and stocks automatically. With AI managing your money, you don't need a finance degree to start building wealth. What if I told you AI could help you become a YouTube or TikTok star, even if you hate being on camera? Tools like Pictory and Synthesia can create faceless AI videos for you to earn from YouTube. CapCut and Descript offer AI-powered video and podcast editing, and with ChatGPT and Copy.ai, you can generate viral social media content. Some people are making $10,000 a month just from AI-generated YouTube videos, so why not you? AI is making it easier than ever for women to earn online, but the real question is, will you take action? If you're serious about making money with AI, which of these methods are you going to try first? Comment below, and if you want me to go deeper into any of these, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to FinSpot for more money-making